Guess what? I am now sitting in the very first Juici Patties restaurant location in Jamaica. It's located at Main Street, Maypen, right across from the credit union and police station, just above the Maypen Parish Library and bus park, and just below the market entrance. This is just one of 8 locations in the parish of Clarendon. The other locations are Main Street, right across from Young's Pharmacy, Guinea Tree, Glenmuir High, Kellits, Lionel Town, Spalding, and of course, the head office in Clarendon Park. Yes, I know, the name alone stirs up cravings, but the story behind Juici Patties is just as satisfying as the patties themselves. This Jamaican fast food chain has grown into a cultural icon, boasting over 60 locations island-wide and employing more than 1,400 employees. Juici Patties is truly a cornerstone of Jamaica's culinary landscape that is loved and enjoyed by everyone, both young and old. It all began in 1978 when the Chin family turned a true love for cooking into a small business. A young Jukie Chin, only 16 years old at the time, baked his first batch of patties in his mother's kitchen and sold them at the shop in front of their home. That was the start of his entrepreneurial journey that would soon transform the local food scene. Would you look at that? By 1980, he opened his very first store in Maypen, Clarendon under the name Juici Beef Patties. And that's the location that I'm at right now. Little did the public know that this would eventually turn out to be something remarkable. The mid-1980s saw Juici expanding rapidly across Jamaica, opening outlets in towns like Santa Cruz, Mandeville, Christiana, and Old Harbor. With each new location came so many more customers eager to savor the flavorful Juici Patties. In the 1990s, Juici reached new heights with its first franchising deal and a centralized manufacturing facility located in Paisley, Maypen, Clarendon. The menu also expanded, introducing shrimp, which is my favorite, chicken, and veggie patties to meet the evolving taste of its growing fan base. As the demand increased over the years, Juici outgrew its original space, and by the mid-2000s, it relocated to a sprawling 20-acre property in Clarendon Park. This site became a multifunctional hub, housing manufacturing plant, head office, abattoir, recreation park, and a convenient rest stop for travelers. So all the persons who normally heading west, we normally stop there for a bite, a quick meal, rest, use the restroom. So you definitely know what I'm talking about. By 2020, Juici Patties underwent significant renovations to modernize its stores. With updated branding and refreshed interiors, the chain stayed true to its Jamaican roots, continuing to offer that unmistakable, lovely taste of home. Today, the Juicy legacy continues, delivering high quality fast food made from fresh, farm grown ingredients. With healthy options available and that signature home cooked flavor, Juici Patties remains a symbol of Jamaican pride and heritage. Now in 2024, Juici Patties offers a mouth-watering menu brimming with Jamaican favorites. Start your day with a hearty Jamaican breakfast featuring classic dishes that celebrate the island's rich culinary traditions. Indulge in their famous patties and loaves, each packed with flavorful fillings encased in golden flaky crusts. For those with a sweet tooth, the pastry section offers an array of freshly baked treats, while comforting bowls of soup and creamy porridge provide warm, satisfying options. For lunch, savor perfectly seasoned jerk chicken, crispy fried chicken paired with golden fries and wedges, and an array of finger-licking Jamaican lunch specials that capture the essence of homemade island cooking. Each dish on the menu is crafted to deliver authentic Jamaican flavors, ensuring every bite is a delicious journey. So, the next time you want to enjoy a Juici Patty, just remember, you're not just tasting a snack, you're savoring a piece of Jamaica's rich history and culture. Juici Patties, always serving food that feels like home. And always remember, Juici Patties is a product of the parish of Clarendon. So that was 10 minutes of the rich history of Juici Patties, a product of Clarendon. And while researching for this video, I was just so excited to know all of the facts and details about this restaurant food chain that I enjoy basically all the time. So I hope you learned something from this video, because I certainly did. And if you loved what you heard and loved what you saw, be sure to like and subscribe. And if you really enjoyed it to the max, remember to share it with a friend. Thank you all for your support on Jamaica in 10.